Hello friends, this is Saurabh Vishwakarma and welcome to the Study Material 5 channel. And today we are going to start our Java CodeChef program. First, let's read the statement. Okay, write a program which takes an integer n and if the number is less than 10, then display thanks for helping save. Otherwise print -1. Okay. The input format is the first line contain an integer t, the total number of test case, then follow t line, each line contain an integer n. Okay, this is output format. For each test case, output the given string or -1 depending on the condition in a new line. Okay, so let's move on the IDE. So we need first try and catch block. So this is a try and inside it we will write everything what we need. Okay, this is used for asking value from user. This statement is used for asking value from the user and we need first t. T stand for total number of test case. Okay, T stand for total number of test case. This is total number of test case and here int I equal to 0, I less than t, I plus plus. Okay, and we need here an integer n, sc dot next int. If n is less than 10, then it will print thanks for helping the save. Okay, it will print thanks for the helping save. Okay, then in this, if the condition is wrong, then it will go to the else block and print -1. And this program has been fully done. We need to add the catch block here because try don't use without catch. Okay, so we will write here return. Okay, we have done this program, so we need to submit it. Okay, it will take some time and then execute. This is executing. So okay, it has been done and the answer is correctly. We have done this program. Thank you guys for watching this video and I will see you soon. And one more thing, if you have any query in anything, then you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.